Hello guys. Just now, just 20 minutes back, I have put this video with respect to the launch of CA Final SEMPE amendments as well as case study digest lectures. So immediately there were a lot of queries, a lot of doubts, a lot of messages. So immediately I wanted to do this clarification video so that you guys will not get any sort of doubts anymore. Now, first thing is, this is CA Final. Okay. SCMP final SCMP amendments and case study digest. That is the purpose of this particular lecture series. Okay. So this will be somewhere around 140 pages. This will be somewhere around 140 to 150 pages in the Power Notes, which will be in encrypted form. ये तो clear है? Of course, it is colored one, which I have already shown you in the previous video. Those who have not seen the previous video, I'll put the link in the description below regarding the announcement of these amendments and case study digest video lectures. Now, who needs to buy? This is very important. A lot of my existing students themselves are getting confused. You know about PK sir here. Why you guys are getting confused now? See here. My existing students, or my students in the sense, who have purchased classes from us through mail, where we have sent the lectures. For you, as long as you have validity, very important, listen, as long as you have validity, whether you have purchased 3 months back or 6 months back or 9 months back or 12 months back, are you able to understand? As long as you have validity, no need to buy these amendment lectures. It is already made available to you. How, sir? It is actually already uploaded in your Drive link. Are you able to understand? It's getting uploaded one by one. In case if you are not able to find that in the Drive link, it should be in your Drive link. Whether you are a crash batch student or a regular batch student, whether you are a crash batch student or you are a regular batch student, it is already there in your Drive link. You have two folders. One is case study digest folder, other one is amendments folder. It's already there. Only Power Notes has to be uploaded in the encrypted form. That I'll do it in another 2 or 3 days. This is clear. Next, for pen drive students, there are pen drive students who has purchased pen drive. Unfortunately, this is the negative point of pen drive. I cannot update it whenever I want to. Okay, for those guys only, what we have done is that in our Telegram group, what Telegram group? PK Sir classes. You can just search with this name, PK Sir classes in Telegram. You will find PK Sir classes. Okay. So the point is, in PK Sir classes Telegram group, what you can do is, you can go in the month of March and April. We have already posted the link of amendment lectures as well as case study digest lectures. Amendment lectures as well as case study digest lectures. So what you have to do? Click on that link, download the lectures, watch. Click on the link. In 2 or 3 days, even the Power Notes also will be uploaded. Download them and read it. There ends the matter. So, whether you have purchased our classes last month or 4 months back or 5 months back or 8 months back or 10 months back, whether it is Google Drive classes or Android app classes, which means or pen drive classes, it doesn't matter. As long as you have validity, this amendment lectures as well as case study digest lectures is already made available to you in the form of Drive links, which has already been posted 2 months back. I think amendment links have posted 2 months back. Case study digest link have posted 1 month back in PK Sir classes Telegram channel. No need to buy. No need to buy this particular lectures which I have announced right now. Are you able to understand? No need to buy, no need to buy, no need to buy. As long as you already have validity of PK Sir classes which you have purchased from me. Is that clear? Then, this is for whom? Who needs to buy? Okay, this particular, the pre-book charges which have allowed at 1,999 and after 30th May it will be available at 2,999. This 60 hours of lecture series along with Power Notes. This is for whom? Who has to buy? Or who has to purchase? Now the answer is those students of mine whose validity is over. Validity is gone. There is no validity. irrespective of whenever you have purchased, whether you have got 1 year validity or 6 months validity, if your validity is finished, then you need to buy. Yes, you need to purchase this. Or so far you have not at all purchased our classes, not even once, then yes, you need to buy. Am I clear? I'm very clear. Is that clear? Right? So if your validity is gone and you have not yet bought our classes, not even once, and you just want amendment lectures, you just want amendment lectures and case study digest lectures so that you want to write your examination well, because we have covered it in a very exorbitant way. I think you would have already seen it in the previous video, in what way we have covered. You can just imagine if our power notes itself have come for somewhere around 300 pages, what kind of extensive coverage we have done. So for that, you have taken classes somewhere else, okay, and you want to, have this kind of, amendments and case study digest videos, then you guys need to buy. So these are all the people who has to buy. Is that clear? At this affordable prices which we have kept. My existing students, no need to buy. My existing students, no need to buy. As long as you have validity, irrespective of when you have bought, how you have bought. Whether it is Google Drive classes or pen drive classes, are you able to understand? Or Android app classes, or whether you purchased 3 months back, 6 months back, 9 months back, 1 year back. As long as you have validity, no need to purchase, no need to buy, no need to buy. And all the other things that you have got, sir, few more lectures needs to be added, and a few, this case study and amendments, power notes has not yet been uploaded. It will be done in another 3 days, because we need to finish off the whole power notes of 300 pages. Only then we can upload. We cannot upload that in installments because it has to be encrypted. That's the reason I've been waiting so far. Is that clear? I hope this particular video makes it very clear. So my students, you need not buy. Am I clear? For you, all the amendments, all the case studies, all the changes will automatically be uploaded as long as you have validity. So this is for whom? Those who have lost the validity, those classes which has got expired, as well as those who are trying to buy our classes for the first time. This is for them. This is for them. This is for them. I hope I have made myself very clear. This video is also very important. I never imagined that these many doubts will come. Even my students themselves will be asking so many doubts, because in their drive link it has already been uploaded. Already they can find a folder of case study digest. Already they can find a folder of amendments, So then immediately I thought that I have to make this video and clarify it. Okay, I hope this is very clear. Definitely share this video so that all your friends, the doubt will get clarified. Thank you so much.